Hello and welcome to Daddy in the Kitchen, where I make tasty and healthy recipes for kids. Today we are making a creamy pasta with mushrooms that's perfect for a weekday dinner. Let's get started. First boil 1 liter of water. To this add 200 grams of pasta. I'm using penne, you can use any other pasta of your choice. To this add some salt and boil this for 10 minutes or follow the instructions on the pack. While the pasta is boiling, let's cut the mushrooms. Cut the mushrooms into thick slices. Do not cut the mushrooms much in advance as they will oxidize. So cut and keep this aside. Now the pasta has been boiling for about 10 minutes. It's al dente now. So let's drain the water and pour some cold water and mix it so that it avoids further cooking. Keep this aside. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add 2 cloves of garlic that's crushed and toss this a bit. Now add the sliced mushrooms and saute this for a few minutes. Add some salt, and the mushrooms need to be cooked for till about they're 80% done. You see it's oozing out water, so this needs to fry a bit more. Now it's cooked, so let's remove the mushrooms and keep it aside. Now to the same pan add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add 6 cloves of garlic that's crushed and saute the garlics a bit. Add 2 tablespoons of flour or maida and whisk this well. So do not burn the flour, so this just needs to fry a bit. Now add 400 ml of milk. Add this gradually and mix this well so that the milk and the flour combines together. So whisk this vigorously so that it removes any lumps. Now add milk little by little and continue the process of stirring till you get a nice thick and creamy sauce. See, this is getting thickened, so I'm adding more and more milk. Now, do not add all the milk at once and then you will not get the sauce. So now add the remaining milk as well and mix this well. Now to this add half a teaspoon of Italian mixed herbs. Add some salt. So do not add a lot of salt because we've already salted the pasta, the mushrooms, and we'll be adding cheese as well. So now to this add half a cup of grated cheese. So I'm using cheddar today. You could use any other cheese of your choice. Now mix this well. See, the sauce is nicely getting thickened up. I have given the detailed list of ingredients in the description box, so you can check it out. The sauce is ready. Add the cooked mushrooms and cook this for about a few more minutes till the mushrooms are fully cooked. See how thick the sauce is. Now turn off the flame. Add the cooked pasta and mix this well. Now add some freshly cracked black pepper and mix this well. And our creamy mushroom pasta is ready. Wow! Let me dig into this. and so yummy, guys. Please do try this at home, and thanks for watching Daddy in the Kitchen. For more tasty and healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.